Alright, this is OBS truck. Getting ready to change out the headlights, the bezels, the new grill in. Got to take the battery out to get to the bolts that are holding the bezel on this side. That's what he's working on right now, getting those out. And getting ready to paint the grill. So I got that out here. Changed taillights out already. I'll keep you updated. You just want to scratch it up a little bit, just enough to get the rough spots out, clean up anything that might be an imperfection, get all inside all these, just enough to just kind of get it ready to paint it up where the paint will grab onto it. If you try to paint it with dirt and smooth finish all over it, the paint has nothing to grab onto and it'll end up flaking and peeling off on you. So this is just a basic little prep. You don't want to take too much material off, just make it nice and smooth and scratched up just a touch. Alright, got this all wiped down, ready to go. Just going to use some gloss black. Since I'm doing it like this, I'm just going to hit the edges so I can flip it around. Not paint my entire truck. A nice little dust coat.